how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. So if you want to transfer group members to another group in your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to go with the group profile, tap on the profile and then go with the eye icon. Now from here you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of invite via link. But if you don't find that option, you can just simply go back and make sure that you have created that group. So tap on the profile again and then you will find the option of invite, or you will have the invite option right here. You just need to simply tap on invite. You can just simply copy the link or send the link via WhatsApp to any other group that you want to. When the people of the other group tap on your link, they will simply be able to join this WhatsApp group. Or if you want to transfer the group members to another group, then there's also another way. What you can do is just simply go back, scroll down, and here you'll find an option of create a similar group. You can start with the same members that you can add or remove. So tap on this option and then select the same persons and create another group. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.